southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 3:30 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorm extended from Menominee Falls to near Clinton, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Kenosha, Racine, Waukesha, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Oak Creek, Mount Pleasant, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Pleasant to Prairie, Cudahy, Greendale, Pewaukee, Elkhorn, and St. Francis. People attending the Waukesha County Fair, Festivitalion in Milwaukee, and the Bristol Renaissance Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. For southeastern Wisconsin.